Ever wonder why building beautiful apps with a smooth UI can be a challenge? What if there's a framework that makes it faster, more efficient, and fun? Let's dive into Flutter. Welcome to the Gleam Insights, your go-to for quick programming knowledge. Today, we're talking about Flutter, the open-source framework by Google that helps you build natively compiled apps for mobile, web, and desktop with a single codebase. Flutter is fast, flexible, and lets you create stunning UIs with zero compromises on performance. With Hot Reload, you can test changes and experiment with your UI in real time. But what powers Flutter? Dart, a modern, object-oriented language optimized for mobile apps. Dart's simple syntax, similar to JavaScript or Java, makes it easy to learn. It compiles directly to native code, ensuring fast and responsive apps. Now, let's talk about the Widget Tree, the core of every Flutter app. Flutter's UI is built using widgets, everything from simple components like text and images to complex layouts and animations. These widgets form a hierarchical structure called the Widget Tree, which ensures Flutter only rebuilds the parts of the UI that need updating, keeping your app efficient and fast. Let's dive into two key widget types, Stateless Widget and Stateful Widget. A stateless widget is static. Once it's built, it doesn't change. Perfect for components like a text label or icon. A stateful widget holds state that can change. When the state updates, Flutter rebuilds the widget, like a counter widget, where the number updates with each button press. Now let's explore some common widgets. Container is like a box that holds other widgets and applies styling, padding, or alignment. It's highly versatile. Row and column are layout widgets used to arrange widgets horizontally or vertically. ListView is essential for displaying scrollable lists. It can be dynamically built with ListView.builder, perfect for long or changing lists. For interactive elements, the elevated button triggers actions like submitting a form or navigating between screens. And the TextField is used to collect user input. Lastly, the image widget displays images from assets, the web, or local files. How does this all fit together? Flutter's Widget Tree ensures that only the affected parts of the UI are rebuilt, maintaining performance even with animations or real-time data updates. That's Flutter 101. You now know about the Widget Tree, stateless versus stateful widgets, and key widgets to build apps faster and more efficiently. Got any Flutter questions or need help with a specific widget? Drop them in the comments, and don't forget to follow Code Gleam and check out more from the Gleam Insights playlist for updates. Happy coding!